Okay guys, I've gotten into the trail a little bit. This is the single track. I think I'm on 182. But I was going to show you the dominance of a bike like this, the Electric Motion Escape in the Hatfield McCoys. I just came down this trail here, and it's hard to see the steepness of things, but I thought I would just maybe climb this one right here for you guys. I just climbed a couple of hairy ones. So I'm still kind of getting warmed up here, a little bit sketchy yet. But she is a beast in this stuff. There's nothing better than this type of a bike in this rock garden stuff either. It's going to dominate any other bike you have, KTM, anything. I guarantee it. So we'll see how far we get with this thing today. So far my range is doing pretty good. I dragged the regen on the downhills, obviously. So I'm going to climb up to this bank right up there and over the top. Hopefully I'll be filming when I do this. So let me see if I can. I'll stop for a second and then I'll put this back on. Okay guys, we're going to give this a shot. I'm not real good at filming, so we're going to try to go up this bank like I mentioned. First run. I'm feeling a little sketchy still. Let's see what we got. Okay, we need a bit of a running start. Hopefully there's no bears back here. Let's see here. Turn this sucker on. Where's my on button? There it is. All right, get my safety on. I don't know what you guys can see or not see. I can't see the camera, unfortunately. 96%. I'm shocked at how much it's got left right now after all the climbs I've done. Okay, we're going to give this a whirl. I don't have much of a running start here. Let me see if I can get more. So I'm standing up. We're going to horse it. I don't know if I should put traction control on or not, but okay, we're in gear. Let's go. So she just dominates this stuff. Now I'm charging the brake on the slide down. Well, maybe not. I'm sliding there. So you can feel I'm sliding all over the place. There we go. Or not too bad, but all right, so that was easy. It's these types of bikes are just like crazy. Makes trail riding simple. Not simple, I shouldn't say that. But if you're a good trail rider, you're gonna be a great trail rider on this. And ooh, that looks like bear poop. That's kind of sketchy. I don't like being back here by myself. Wish I had somebody to go with. Anybody? Anybody? Anyway. Oh shit. What do we got here? This could be an issue. Probably trail's probably closed. Let's see. Can you see that log? Yeah. Well, we can obviously get through there, but do we want to get through there? Doesn't look like anybody's ridden this thing in a decade. So maybe I should stay on the main trail since I'm by myself. All right, guys, I'll let you go for now, and I'll decide which way I'm going to go. Talk to you later. Bye.